So even though I was done with these videos, this was the excavator number 2, and the one I'm going to keep. So I decided to build a cab guard for it. I'm doing a guarding package on it. Side guard on the other one. So, and only in BC here on the west coast of Canada is this stuff relevant and dead accurate and look like something, but anywhere else in the world most people don't have a clue what this stuff is. But this is where excavators were basically bred, born, and built and became something here in this part of the world with the extreme conditions and rock and logging. And so I think they're fairly advanced here, the attachments, guarding. So I've also built a thumb, proper one, hydraulic thumb for the bucket. So we'll try and get this stuff all together, see what it looks like. I've got the catwalks, the bumpers spray painted. It was easier to spray it than to use the brush. So I'll peel all this off, get the cab guard on. There's some guarding on. And the thumb on here. So this is as close to look to finished as we'll get. I need to get some overhead projector film to put some windows in it and draw the window bars in. So this is the land clearing, the BC version. And CWS is one of the tried and true tested long-standing bucket manufacturers. It's custom welding service. And this one has the auxiliary block there for the thumb. This one has more hard lines on the boom. Full cab girding. With the guarding, you can't see the details as good. As a pen opens up. And they're twins. And I wound my springs so tightly that they wouldn't fit over the rubber hose. So I have to do a whole nother set of springs. And that's not limited. Probably should have done that.